Hi, it's Angeline here. I have a fun quick tip for you today, and it is an easy one today using some watercolor and sequins. So first, I've already stamped this Hey Friend kit by Unity Stamp and Graciellie design on some white cardstock, and I'm grabbing my Jane Davenport watercolors here to just paint everything in. So today I'm not going to do any crazy shadings or detailings. What I'm doing here is just to grab some color from the pan and add lots of water to it so that it kind of blends in itself together. So you don't have to be great at watercoloring in order to use watercolors. I think watercolors are very forgiving, and no matter how you paint it in, it will look kind of nice. So just don't be afraid of it and just experiment and have fun. Next, I'm using the Unity sequins called Ariel here. It has some really nice colors in this pack, and what I'm going to do here is just to pour it out and adhere it to my card using my Thermal Web mixed media adhesive. So this is a great way to add some shine and sparkle to your card without adding too much of a bulk, and it's a fun way to use up your sequins as well. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tip technique today, and thanks for watching. Bye!